What's going on, guys? It's Terrence Davis, and I'm going to help you identify the midweek reversals, which one to look for when you're trading them. How to watch out for fakes, and also if you want to trade, if you want to day trade, I'm going to show you how to use these moving averages to help you maybe scalp or catch a couple pips if you wanted to. But like I said in my PDF, it's highly recommended that in the beginning, if you are only starting off with 200, 300 bucks, especially if you only have $100 account, you want to be very strict in your trading. You want to only trade midweek reversals. And the London breakout in the beginning until you get your account up to minimal 500, 600 bucks. Okay, that's when you can start to maybe do a little bit of scalping, just to be on the safe side. But we're going to start back from next week because I want to show you guys that the market literally does the same thing every single week. One way or another, whether it be a three-level rise or a three-level fall. I'm going to show you right now in this video how to identify those levels as well. So we can start right here on the 23rd, coming right out the weekend. We have this gap right here in the market. Kind of has some slow movement. By the way, this is on the 15-minute chart. This is the chart that I use to identify my levels the best. So not very much movement here. The market shoots down. Usually does like a little fake before it goes in that direction that it wants to go. So it goes down from here and then it spikes upwards to the first high. Okay, that's the first level. It drops a little bit consolidation, eventually spikes up to the second high. Okay, this is the second high of the week. It drops down a little bit, consolidates, and it spikes up again. But notice this isn't a true third rise because it doesn't take out the second one right here. So yes, it's going to go back down a little bit, consolidate, and it goes to the third level. This is considered the third level. So if you guys see three spikes, this doesn't mean that the reverse is about to happen. So I want to make that absolutely clear. So you want to look out for that. You want to make sure that that third level always is higher than all three levels. So this can't be the third level. Why? Because this high was higher. It's that simple. So we have one level, two level, consolidation always in between. This is it's a fake or whatever you want to call it. It's not true. And it consolidates, hits the third level, and this is the reverse. Watch this. Boom. You're gonna ride down this trade three levels down, and this is what you want to capitalize off of. Especially in the beginning. If you used to catch this trade, um, even if you used to get in around here where you see the white line start to go beneath the pink line, or even right here when the market is underneath all lines, you could ride this all the way down and catch a lot of pips, guys. So that's that. That's it. That's a three level drop. Now we're gonna go to this week. Let's scroll over. I think it's right here. Okay. All right. So this week right here, same thing. We have first rise, second rise, third rise right here to the high, and then we have another rise because of the NFP, I believe it was the NFP news. So news can alter the flow of a cycle. So if there's news, the NFP, I think it was called, or any other major impacting news, it can alter the cycle. But you can see immediately after this news hits the high, the true high, it drops again three levels. One, consolidation, two, consolidation, three. And this is being recorded at April 7th, 2015. So it's not like I'm showing you guys some old screen pictures of the perfect cycle or anything like that, because this happens every single week. And this is what you want to look for. You want to look to get in on the reverse, the third high of the week. You want to ride this all the way down. Um, Now, if you wanted to um, trade day trading, meaning if you want to actually trade the rises and the drops independently, that's what these new moving averages will help you do. So, as explained in the PDF, what you want to do is you want to wait for the market to come above all lines, well, especially the pink and the blue primarily. So if the market is above the pink and the blue line, and if you see the white line cross over the pink line, whichever direction the white line crosses over the pink line, and as long as it's over all lines, it's healthy to get into the market. And once again, take your profits, guys, before you know, especially if you see the market, the white line start to go back underneath um, the pink line. But it would have been ideal to take your profits around here. You see the market's not really moving anywhere much. And same thing here. Once again, this is the 15-minute chart. Once you see the line cross over the pink line, and when the market's underneath the blue and the pink, you can enter a sell anywhere in this area, and you can kind of scalp the market down here. It would have been ideal to get out anywhere around here. So you never want to trade when the market's in between the lines. That's consolidation basically. You don't want to trade that. That's sideways moving market. You can see how the market's in between the blue and the pink lines. You don't want to ever trade that. Same thing right here. It's in between. But we can go right here and look at this first rise right here. You could have traded this. You see the white line right here crossed over the pink. The market's above the pink and the blue. You could ride this up. You could have caught a couple pips here. So same concept as far as scalping goes. But that's pretty much a rundown of the levels. Once again, I want to thank you guys. Very simple stuff. I want to thank you guys for going over this with me. Remember that when you're identifying levels, you want to look for 3 levels that are higher. Each one hits a new high. If the third or fourth one doesn't take out the last one, the previous one, then it's not a true level. And after that, the reverse is imminent. It's going to happen. You're going to cash out, and and that's that, guys. Once again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys have learned, something from this, and from the scalping with these moving averages. That's it, guys. Thank you, and have a great day.